Cool. Man, there is nothing like turning your microscope on and seeing this. What is going on? I grow soil in the house. We are looking at, I got rain outside, man. It is coming down. I am stoked. We needed it. I was just out there just enjoying it, man. Opening up some of my compost bins and letting that nitrogen rich rainfall lay into it. We definitely needed it. I needed it. I've got a lot of mulch islands, and I just need that penetration. So anyway, I'm looking at a potting mix. This is my potting mix, and I mean, right off the bat, dude. Let me move in on that. That is definitely, it's got to be right. It's got to be fungal. Let me move this out of the way. Where am I at? There we go. Yeah. Yep. Look at that. So look at that network of fungi. Look at that network of hyphae. That's the way you start. Might as well just turn this thing off. So I'm going to be looking at some samples today, since I'm probably going to be rained out. I think for the most part, we're going to rain the rest of the week. What's the date today? Is today the first? Go figure. The rainy season starts June 1st, and we have a monsoon coming down right now. I dig it. We needed it, man. I've been out at Gardens and Glass with Rick, and there's a lot going on out there, and a lot of things that need water. And let's see. I've got a little ciliate rocking and rolling there. I'm cool with him. Let's see what else I find. See, I can do this with this hand. Nematode. Okay, so yeah, we're rock. So this is a mix of like Pro Mix, peat moss. Oh, the Pro Mix has moss in it. Some perlite, some vermiculite, and then this is my biologically complete compost was from that super compost I made a video on. I'll link it at the end of this. It was one of the first. It is actually the first compost pile I made over there at Gardens and Glass, and I still have to review that, dude. That's been so crazy. There was so much in there that I've kind of lost track of my video files on it. So what this is a regular compost, a regular thermophilic compost that I inoculated it with. What is that? I inoculated it with that super compost, man, and because dude, that's cool. What am I looking at? Let's see here. Well, what are we looking at? It looks like it might have a double cell wall on it. It's probably alive. Let me put the epifluorescent light on it and see what it does. If it's probably like an egg or something, this kind of my experience with that. I dig it. Looks good to me. So we've got nematodes already. We've got little ciliate cruising around. I'm okay with him. And I also use, sand. I use my native. I dig up some. What is that? Well, that is not the first time I've seen that actually. Here, let me turn this off. Let me jump to 400 magnification. Let me do this thing throws me off. All right, let's see. Whatever that is right there, I have to start familiarizing myself with, because this is but maybe the second or third time I've seen this, at least 3 times. And it does this under fluorescent lights, which is really bright, really interesting. Whatever compound is making that, whatever element is making it glow like that, I don't know. Definitely bacterial as well. We've got a lot of bacteria in here, which is perfect. I mean, I don't expect anything less. Fungal hyphae. So I'm going to make this one quick, but I'm not going to dive into every piece of fungi I see. I'm happy already. I mean, the minute I turned this thing on, I was happy with the fungal content. So can you imagine a monster potting mix? Where are my test dates at? What is this? It's like a spore? What am I looking at there? Not even sure. Probably I don't know. I'm not going to even guess. Let me keep it moving. Another nematode. Yeah. So another nematode. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. I'm excited about this. So this is obviously the potting mix that we get to enjoy as composters slash regenerators. Sorry, that's my dog barking at the thunder. Another look at that big nematode. All right, I'm good with it. Wow, I've got tons of nematodes here. Where's my test date action though? Man, I think I've seen a couple, but I've been learning a lot about nematodes, man, and the importance of nematodes in your compost and how they literally change the entire dynamic of your compost and they change the biology in your compost. I mean, there are major adjustments done when there are the presence of nematodes. There's a couple test dates there. Yeah, I'm good. I'm gonna call this. I'm gonna call this at 6 minutes. Done. I'm good with what I'm looking at. There's another test date there. So anyway, great sample. I'm stoked. And let me see what else I put on the microscope today because today's gonna be microscope day. Catch you guys later.